Good morning, class. Today we have page 269 in our math book. We're going to start with the division. Our first division is money. So it means $50.16. 5 is smaller than 8, so we need to divide into 50. 8 times what would be close to 50? My answer is 6, because 6 times 8 is 48. Now I take away. 0 cannot take away from 8, so we need to borrow. This becomes a 4, this becomes a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Put your decimal up, bring down the next number. Now you have 21. 8 times what is close to 21? My answer is 2, because 2 times 8 is 16. Now we take away. 1 cannot take away from 6, so we have to borrow. The 1 becomes an 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Bring down the 6. Now I have 56. 8 times what is close to 56? My answer is 7, because 7 times 8 is 56. 56 minus 56, 0. So make sure that you put your dollar sign, because this is money. $6.27. The next division, $82.53. So let's put our dollar sign so that we don't forget. So 8 is bigger than 7, so we can divide into 8. So 8 times what is close to 7, or 7 times what is close to 8? 1. Because 7 times 1 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Bring down the 2. Now I have 12. 7 times what is close to 12? 1. Because 1 times 7 is 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. Put your decimal sign. Bring down the 5. Now you have 55. 7 times what is close to 55? 7. Because 7 times 7 is 49. Now we take away. 5 is smaller than 9, so we need to borrow. This becomes a 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Bring down the next number, 63. 7 times what would give me 63? 9, because 9 times 7 is 63. 63 minus 63 is 0. So my answer is $11.79. When you're doing division, please show your work. I want you to work out the division just like I'm doing it. That's the only way you're going to get better at it, by repeating the steps and seeing the steps that I'm doing so that you're able to do it. I don't just want you to copy the answer. I want you to actually try to do this. The next step in our math is round your answer for letter A and B. So our answer for letter A is $6.27. How do we round that off? Well, 2 is smaller than 5, so the 6 stays the same, and anything after the decimal becomes a 0. So our answer for letter A is $6. This is for section 2. Then it's telling you to round off letter B. Letter B is $11.79. 7 is bigger than 5, so automatically 11 becomes 12. So our answer is $12. Measure the line. Some of you probably don't have a ruler, and it's okay. I'm going to help you with that. The first line, you're going to write 5.5 for the first one. For the second line, you're going to write 3.5. Now they say, how much longer is the green line than the blue line? Well, on the top, you're going to write 2 inches, okay? Story problem. Aubrey and Nathan have 9 boxes of building blocks. There are 786 blocks in each box. How many blocks do they have in all? Well, we're talking about two people. You're talking about Aubrey and Nathan. They each have 9 boxes, and they each contain 786. So 786 times 9. 6 times 9, 54, carry the 5. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 5, 77. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 7, 70. So my answer is 7,704 blocks is how much they have in all. So that's for story problem letter A. The next one, letter B. Ethan and his sister Samantha have each saved $17.48 each. That means that it's two people. So when it's two people, we need to multiply by the amount of people they're talking about when they have the clue word each. Okay, story problems always give you clue words to let you know what we're gonna do, if it's multiply, if it's take away, if it's addition. Usually when it's in all, that means you add. How much more? Then that usually means take away. In this case, to make things quicker, they're letting us know that they have $17.48 each, and there's two of them, so we're gonna just automatically multiply by 2. 8 times 2, 16. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Bring down my decimal. 2 times 7, 14. Carry my 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. So they each have $34.96. Now it says together they've used 1/4 of it to buy a game. So 1/4 of $34.96. So how do we figure that out? We're going to divide $34.96 by 4. 4 times what is close to 34? 8, because it gives you 32. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down the 9, 29. Decimal. 4 times 7 is 28. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down the 6, which is 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. Remainder 0. So our answer is $8.74 is how much they spent on the game. This is for letter B. Now in the back, page 270, write the answer. You're going to add and subtract and multiply. That you can do on your own. Find the fraction part. Some of your answers will be mixed number. So let's see. Half of 2. 2 times what gives me 2? My answer is 1. Half of 13. 2 times what will be close to 13? Well, let's see. We're going to have to divide. 13 divided by 2. So we make my remainder a fraction. So this is what they mean by mixed number. Some of them are going to give you a mixed answer, a whole number and a fraction. So for letter B is 6.5, because you have to divide 13 divided by 2 in order to find out your answer. The next one says 1/3 of 36. 3 times what would give me 36? My answer is 12, because 12 times 3 is 36. 1/3 of 10. We know that 3 times, there's no number. 3 times nothing will be close to, will give you 10. So what do? We divide. 10 divided by 3. 3 times 3 is close to 10, which is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1, so we make this as a fraction. So this is another mixed number that we have. 3 and 1/3. The next one is 1/10 of 110. 10 times what would give me 110? My answer is 11, because 11 times 10 is 110. 1/11 of 121. My answer is 11. Why? Because 11 times 11 is 121. Write the times. Remember that the shorthand is the hour, the longhand is the minutes. How do we count the longhand? We count by 5. Now pay attention to the arrows. The arrows are saying after you write the first time, the next time is going to be 1 hour later from the answer you first got. Then after that, it's going to be 1.5 hours later from the answer you got on the second clock. Follow the pattern. You don't have to do brain booster, and you don't have to do the homework part. If you do it, that's great because it's extra practice, and it's awesome that you continue to practice. Like I said, I want you all to try to work these out on your own. Even though I'm giving you step by step, I want you to try to do them. Just like I've taught you guys in the past, you know, we continue to learn, and this is just this is repetition. The more we repeat it, the more we're going to learn it. I want you guys to try to do these on your own because I know that you guys can do it. If you have any questions, please call me or message me.